Okay. There's officially water in the garage. This is a bicycle that I ride. A little cat trike expedition. You know, I just don't know what to say. The majority of the stuff in the garage is lifted up off the ground. There is some stuff that is on the ground, but hopefully it's in a plastic bag. Hopefully it's not too bad. In the garage is where my dishwasher is, or my washer machine, Samsung washer machine, Samsung dryer. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I just don't know what to say. It's here. It's real. My hot water tank was replaced in March 2011. As you see, there's when I installed it.